Oh wow, look at these delicious air fryer, croissant, and egg stuffed breakfast sandwiches. Woohoo! I'm making two different kinds today. One is filled with bacon and egg, of course, onion, green pepper, mozzarella cheese, and the other one is filled with spinach and feta. I like to add a splash of milk and a little bit of melted butter to my sandwiches. Each one takes 2 eggs. Scramble them up. Fill the centers of the croissant where you made that well. Bake them in an air fryer at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Take them out, top them with cheese. You're good to go. Yum. If you'd like this printable recipe, you can find it on my website, or you can like and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Hope you like them. Have a delicious day. Bye.